Okay, so we're at the maple syrup here. So I want to check out this maple syrup. This is actually fake maple syrup, okay? So it's maple flavored syrup, all right? And some people, don't even notice that this is fake. If you have a look at the ingredients there, the ingredients are sweeteners are the first ingredient. And then natural flavors, we don't know what that is. And then thickener. And look, it's a whole lot of crap basically. And color, they color this with an artificial color. And here is another one that is partially lying to you as well. Natural Canadian maple taste. And then you have a look on the other side, liquid sugar, pure maple syrup. How much though? How much pure maple syrup is there? We don't know. And then natural flavor. Oh, it's exhausting. But then, thankfully, the one that I get is 100% pure Canadian maple syrup. This is, as you can see here, ingredients, maple syrup 100%. Don't be ripped off by these fake sugar pushers. Fake sugar, fake color.